If you are wondering if you can pay with Motorola Moto G56, then the answer is yes. And in order to set up your phone, in order to be able to pay with it, first of all, you're gonna go to settings. Now over here, go to connected devices and open connection preferences, and you should be able to find NFC. Of course, NFC should be enabled every time you try to pay with your phone. It doesn't have to be enabled all the time, but only when you are about to pay with your phone. Besides that, I can recommend enabling this option, require device unlock for NFC. It is actually disabled by default for some reason, and for security reasons, of course, it is recommended to turn it on. You can also go to contactless payments and you can choose the default wallet app, and we're gonna use the Google Wallet app, so you can select it over here. Now, once we have that covered, oh, and one more thing, you can also go to Control Center in order to find the NFC option over here, so you don't really have to go through settings all over again every time you try to toggle NFC. You can do this over here. Alright, now another thing is that we need to set up the Google Wallet app, so we need to add our credit or debit card. In that case, we can go to the Google folder and you should be able to find the wallet app over here. However, if you don't have the app for some reason, you can open the Play Store and then you can search for wallet. You should be able to find the Google Wallet app. Let's give it a try. There we go. And of course, this is the app that I'm talking about. So once you have it, once you install it, you can open it. If you see this screen, then just press View Wallet. We can agree to notifications, and then over here we can press Add to Wallet in the bottom right corner. We have several different options, but essentially if you want to add your payment card, then we can just choose payment card over here. After a short while, you should be able to open the rear camera. There we go. And you can scan the details of your credit or debit card. However, if you have issues with scanning the card, you can just press this text over here at the bottom, enter details manually, fill everything in, and then press Save and Continue, and follow the instructions that you may see on the screen in order to add your payment card. Once that is done, your phone is ready to be used as a, well, payment method, essentially. Whenever, like I said, whenever you are trying to pay with your phone, you just need to remember to turn on NFC to have it enabled. And if you use the requirement to have your device unlocked, then of course your phone should be unlocked as well. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.